What's up, everyone? This is Nova Studios. I'm Slade, and today I'm being joined by myself. And today we are playing Mining Simulator. So, Landon actually told me that if you get hats, they will like make you go 50 times faster. So I can. Let's get a crate. Hey. Ooh, this is cool. Please walk speed 5 in Minecraft. Okay. Yep, this one. Let's get this. Box Buckleton. Okay, and I got the private mine pass, the teleporter pass, and the nuke pass. So let's get some ores, chests. Coal, stone. Ooh, what's that? Jelly bean stone? Something? New egg blocks, jelly bean blocks for this week only. Cost a lot. Oh, actually, no, mine it doesn't. Because I'm at 9. We need 9 rebolts. Huh. Okay. We're gonna stop at 200 blocks and throw a nuke down. Dravite, soybean. And if you're wondering why the values of this is more for me than you, it's because I have 9 rebolts. Moon egg. I find it weird that sometimes Dravite is blue and then it's green. The automat egg. Huh. If you didn't know, we have a Instagram account. So go follow that. I'm posting a lot of pictures on that account this weekend. Cause some Nathan, Wyatt, and someone else that you haven't met yet is coming over this weekend. Legendary Stone. Crystal Egg. Another Build-A-Man egg. So like, okay, never mind. Mythic Stone. Gravite. Legendary. If you want me to do a video where I go like as deep as I can, just let me know in the comments. And I'll get like maybe 3 of my friends to help me get to the lowest point on the map. Okay. Okay. So guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. Again, we do have an Instagram account, and I'm posting a lot of post on it. We probably will do a live stream this weekend too, so keep on the watch for that. And I hope you guys liked it. Bye!